Turn round. Turn round. And a cash award of rupees 5,000. Miss. Who? Miss Radha Pyari. Miss Radha Pyari. Turn. Radha Pyari. Dia orang sini saya tu. Mana sumber dia sudah. Saksi dia lah. Apa itu nanti satu. A cash award of rupees 7,000. Prize, which we call it appreciation prize. Please, from the right, come one by one. No. Asumlah saya sana. Please come one by one. One by one.
Slowly, please.
Ini satu, mana podium di Melano? Oleh
Who else is that? I think it's over.
anyone left now? Now, may I request His Excellency the Governor to say a few words.
Mr. H. Hauke, Honorable Minister for Industries and Chairman State Level Court Committee, retired Major S. Kipgen, Secretary of the Committee, and Cooters and friends. I thank Honorable Minister Hauke and Kipgen for taking great pains in successfully organizing Coot Festival in spite of the rains in the districts and in organizing the state level festival. Therefore, I thought that I must spend 6 hours for attending this Coot festival. I was very happy when I read the theme of the Coot theme. Here come a time when we heed the call of Coot, when we must come together as one. So we all must come together as one. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones to make a brighter day, so let us start working. I was thinking that this is rather a national theme today and the international theme, I could say, not court theme. Such a time has come in our country when not only Sikkims are to come together as one, all our countrymen who are pledged to safeguard the unity, integrity, the basic human values, and our resplendent cultural diversities in India are to close their ranks as one India. Let Kut festival inspire us all to uphold our age-old cherished basic human values. Therefore, I thank you all, Kuters, and all the friends. I once again, this Kut festival is a part of the rich cultural heritage of Manipur. It has to be preserved, cherished, and enriched. I once again thank all the office bearers and members of the state level Kut committee for inviting me to this Kut festival final 1990, and I was so impressed that I thought I must spend 6 hours in this festival. Thank you once again. Jai Hind.
Thank you. Now, for the last time,
아, 세레도니아.